has been filed. So therefore, the Supreme Court has issued only notice and stayed the criminal cases initiated by on the basis of the complaint initiated by the Calcutta police. That has been stayed, and nothing is no more thing is there. Importantly, 2 or 3 observations are there. That one of the important observation in this matter by this Honorable Supreme Court, that when the election is forthcoming, then the interference by the ED to the political parties' affairs is also an important issue to decide. There are so many things to be decided, but this is also an important issue that has to be decided. Matter has been directed to appear on 3rd February.
So the court has also said that it will be difficult for central agencies to work under such circumstances if the state.
That is an observation. That is an the question is this. Question is, listen, it's a of course broader question. If you say so, the question is, whenever in a non-BJP state, central agency will interfere with the political party just before election, that is also not good. Correct? Similarly, if the central agency works and the state agency interferes, that is also not good. So maintaining this cooperative federalism is not the duty only of the state, it is also duty of the central government. Right? There were 2 parties there. You have to accept the 2 parts. Every time, whenever in non-BJP state, before the election, ED, see, here is what they have said. They have said courts come case, correct. We don't have anything to say. 2,700, we have nothing to. They have given the list of dates. Last evidence which has been taken by in this statement is 21st February 2024. Thereafter, he was sleeping altogether. Now, when the election is forthcoming, then he was jumping upon. ED is jumping upon. That is also the question, no? And it has also been said that if it is a property of the any political party, then it should not be touched or other expression, whatever it may be. No, court has said, okay, this is Supreme Court. Whatever, we are bound by the order of this. Supreme Court has not said that the High Court has no power to hear and etc. Not said. सुप्रीम कोर्ट से लार्जर इश्यूज आर देयर, विल हियर, लेट देम हियर, आई वुडंट माइंड।
बांग्ला में ब्रीफ कर दीजिए कि आपका क्या रिएक्शन।
आपको हिंदी इंग्लिश हो गया ना बांग्ला में उधर जाना होगा हमारा आज बांग्ला आई हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शन बट योर बांग्ला आपको बांग्ला काउंटर पार्ट सब उधर है, तो आपको बांग्ला के लिए उधर जाना। सुनो इधर सुनिए ना, इधर आप लोग का बीजेपी स्टेट का है, उधर का नॉन बीजेपी स्टेट का है, हमको जाना होगा ना। हाँ बोलिए, सुनिए लिसन, ये छोड़ा ये मैटर में आज जो नोटिस हुआ है और नोटिस किया है ईडी का जो रिट पिटीशन फाइल किया और उन लोग का ऑफिसर का रिट पिटीशन फाइल किया, उसमें नोटिस हुआ है और उसमें जो 2 वीक्स का अंदर एफिडेविट देने के लिए बोला है। 3rd February मैटर विल कम फॉर हियरिंग, इसका हियरिंग में आएंगे और स्टे किया है वो जो क्रिमिनल केस जो इनिशिएट किया है वेस्ट बंगाल कैलकाटा पुलिस ने, उसको स्टे किया है।
So one question.